Discover metabolism-boosting HIIT exercises that help you burn more calories in less time. Now watch the video to learn more about effective, time-saving workouts for a healthier you.
Not losing weight? 10 HIIT exercises to boost your metabolism. Are you struggling to lose weight? Try these 10 HIIT exercises to rev up your metabolism and burn calories faster. HIIT workouts combine high-intensity movements with short rest periods to maximize calorie burn and improve endurance for effective weight loss. The benefits of HIIT are extensive, boosting metabolism, heart health, strength, and endurance without requiring special equipment or lengthy sessions. Mountain climbers, burpees, and punches are key HIIT exercises that ignite your metabolism and promote fat loss through dynamic movements. Jumping lunges, push-ups with torso rotations, and V-tucks target multiple muscle groups, enhancing muscle tone and metabolic rate. Plank jacks, high knee jacks, and forward jumps increase cardiovascular endurance and core strength, essential for burning calories efficiently. Incorporate body extensions and dietary tips like protein-rich foods and green tea to maintain a fast metabolism and achieve weight loss goals.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.